Every day, numerous advertisements appear about investment opportunities for senior citizens. But the timely changes that occur in investments may adversely affect them. This might be a huge blow to those who depend upon pension amount for household expenses. Many of the current investment offers do not offer adequate interest rates. Investment opportunities for senior citizens often have a fixed interest rate and a long-term investments. Let's take a look at what senior citizens need to know about investment. Allocation of fund. Long-term investments are not suitable for senior citizens. Short-term investments with a focus on plans that provide maximum returns over a period of 6 months to 3 years will be ideal. Considering the current fixed deposit rates of banks, it is advisable not to accept long-term fixed deposits. How to get the best returns? Bank fixed deposits, Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, Floating Rate Savings Bonds 2020 are some of the major investment schemes that claim to provide accurate returns to senior citizens. When returns from savings diminish, they will have to depend on others. Therefore, it is imperative to evaluate the interest rates and the term of the investment. Risk factors. Most fixed income investment opportunities for senior citizens are guaranteed by the government. Still, risk factors cannot be ruled out. Bank fixed deposit, including savings account balance, is insured up to Rs 5 lakhs. Risks are there while choosing debt funds. Many senior citizens are willing to invest in long-term debt funds. When making such moves, one should pay close attention to the duration of the debt instruments like bonds, debentures, leases, certificates, and promissory notes. Longer the period, risk will be higher. Reinvestment risk should also be considered when accepting fixed income investments. Equity allocation. We live in an era of longevity. Therefore, the post-retirement life of senior citizens should be more secure. Low investment rates will put retired citizens under pressure. With limited financial resources, they won't be able to tackle the financial stress easily. This is where equities come into effect. This would be a suitable option for senior citizens in the current situation. Investments that depend on interest rates may not be sufficient for retirement life. Equities would provide higher returns. This method can be adopted at the very beginning of retirement. The investment should be made after seeking proper guidance. Experts say it would be beneficial for retirees to invest at least a small portion of their savings in equities. Tax benefits. Senior citizens should also take into account their own tax slab when making investments. Many deposits are fully taxable. The Senior Citizen Savings Scheme and the 5-year Tax Saving Bank FD provide tax benefits under Section 80C. Senior citizens can increase their monthly income by opting for investments with tax benefits. The safest and the most rewarding investments are always the best for someone leading a post-retirement life.